Your Thermador Steam Oven comes with a variety of accessories designed to make cooking with steam an easy and enjoyable experience. Our pans have been specially designed for the Thermador Steam Oven, and we've tested and created specific recipes with each of these pans in mind. The full-size universal pan is perfect for crisping food items or cooking convenience foods. It can also be used when steaming to catch water and food spills beneath the perforated pan. The full-size perforated pan is intended for steaming large quantities of fish or vegetables, and the small-size perforated pan is great for steaming smaller quantities or defrosting or juicing berries. There's also the half-size unperforated pan, which can be used for rice, legumes, and cereals. The wire rack can house baking sheets, cake pans, ramekins, and oven-proof dishes, and is also perfect for cooking meats. Your steam oven comes with a 3-measurement multi-point meat probe, which enables precision roasting to your exact requirements. And you can use the broil pan for broiling and roasting. Your Thermador Steam Oven is equipped with a water tank. When you open the door, you can see the water tank at the right side of the oven cavity. Fill the water tank with water to operate the appliance using steam modes. The water tank houses enough water to run for about 2 hours of cooking. Once finished using the steam function, be sure to empty the remaining water from the water tank and thoroughly dry the lid of the tank and the slot where the tank resides. As a reminder, your steam oven accessories are specially adapted for your appliance. For optimal cooking results and product function, use accessories intended for your oven. You can buy accessories from customer service, from specialist retailers, or from the online Thermador accessory store.